When y'all good, them good. Them know fi hold them. When y'all good, them get blessing from your mother, treat it like you should. Boom, pack a cup and everything round her back. Boom, pack a cup and everything round her back. Boom, pack a cup and everything round her. With a pair of fat and you nothing round her that time. He might explain but me a pilot. Me not
Happy Easter, everyone. We sure hope you're enjoying your holidays. I'm your host, Michaela Leano. Welcome to another episode of Pree Dis. Let's get right into the show. Welcome back to the show, guys. This week we are in downtown Kingston. Now, it was the final staging of the 2017 Bacchanal Friday series, and Father Fox and Ricardo Drew were among the performances. Let's check out the highlights.
It's a wonderful feeling. Share with others, all my brothers and all my sisters. Today we making we name. We party in sun or rain. We don't care what the people say. Once the music hit the rain, so much powers I can't explain. Until I call a name, but the Father take me away. No. I'm phenomenal. Me friend.
My team, we don't back down from nobody. Them things we don't back down from nobody. From party to Japanese, everybody want to invite me in them, huh? I hope you can take it all inside you. Come take look who wine up all inside you. Come take look who liquor all inside you. Come take look who union all inside you. Every time that they tell we put the thing inside properly, ain't nobody going do it better. Rated out to the sky we. Every show to the sky we. They going have to pay small fee. Even though me done move a long time, panty man they just call me. If you want to see how we just party, put me inside.
Alright, now that Bacchanal Fridays has come to an end, what does the rest of the season have in store for patrons?
Well, it's coming to an end. We have a big band performance coming on tonight. But the rest of the season is the real carnival. This has been the warm-up, and the next 4 events are the big events. We have this event tonight, which is our first band night. We have Beach Juve on the 15th at our new home at Grizzly's Paradise Cove, Plantation Cove. And then we have Juve the following Friday here at Mascam, and then the Road March on the 23rd. This is the part of the season where all the live entertainment is here. We have Kess, we have Destra, we have Pharma, we have Nyla. All of them are here, and all the DJs from Trinidad, the US, and Jamaica. So this is a real carnival coming.
Squat harder down, squat harder down, squat harder down, girl. Come back up, squat harder down, squat harder down, squat harder down, girl. Whenever see your little squat harder down, squat harder down, squat harder down, girl. Come back up, squat harder down, squat harder down, squat harder down. Turbo time now, shake, jiggle, bubble on a dick, shake and a jiggle and a bubble on a dick, shake, jiggle, bubble on a dick, girl. Walk up the stick, report my closet, shake and a jiggle and a bubble on a dick, shake and a jiggle and a bubble on a dick, shake and a jiggle and a bubble on a dick. Put your hand on your knees and just bubble.
See so white again. Don't want him to fire me so white again. Post me in the pharmacy so white again. Now, if you see me wine, and I go again, choke, can I go again? If you see me wine, and I go again, choke, can I go again?
What brings you out to Bacchanal Friday?
Well, actually, it's my first time coming here, so I wanted to experience it, so that's why I'm here.
What do you think about it?
It's great. Good vibes.
Awesome. So we'll be seeing you for the rest of the season?
Definitely.
Bacchanal shot. This is the place to be. It's all happening right here, right now.
What are you looking forward to the most out of the season?
It's going to be good. This is a breakout season. People everywhere, parties everywhere. It's going to be hot.
I don't feel so alive. Intriguing around with the strategy. I don't strategize. And they say that I cannot control the trend. That is a lie. It's love. Feel me, I don't cancel. I'm all there. We dream, baby, feeling. That one thing is it right here. I'm drawing you out. I'm a bad because in this place right now. I'm a whole like that. When I drink this on fire water. Energy can make me sick. And I feel it. And I feel too.
Welcome back to Jamaica. I always enjoy your performances. What's the secret behind the high energy that you have on stage?
Working out a lot, trying to stay as fit as possible. You know, just loving what you do. Soca is a music full of energy, full of vibes, so we just try to maintain that energy and give it to the people. And then they give us back the energy and we just...
Okay, what's it like performing in Jamaica every time you come here?
It's a good vibe, man. I must say, you know, all the stigma that I've heard back in the days about, oh, Jamaicans don't like soca, and you know, it's proven that that's wrong. You know, they appreciate the culture just as much as we appreciate the culture here. You know, they dance all the reggae, you know, all that type of music. So it's a love, it's one unity, man.
Welcome to Pree Dis. Your third time performing in Jamaica. How was tonight different from your other two performances?
Yo, tonight the crowd was full of energy. I mean, it's like soca is getting bigger and bigger in Jamaica. It's amazing, yo. The love that we are receiving right now as soca artists in Jamaica is real phenomenal, man. I'm enjoying it.
Great. What has the 2017 season been like for Father Fox?
It's been very crazy coming off the heels of Trinidad Carnival. I've been going every weekend, going. It's crazy. And I still gotta make some time to produce some new tracks to crop over. So I'm trying to balance everything, you know. And I just did my own show back home last weekend. Amazing show once again, so it's just crazy.
Bacchanal Jamaica Fridays has come to an end, but the season has so much more to offer. See you on the road April 23. As we continue to encourage safety on our roads, let's listen up to these very important road safety tips for bicycle riders, courtesy of our sponsors, Superior Parts Limited.
The frequency of traffic accidents involving bicycle riders can be reduced if proper road safety measures are observed. Here are a few tips to help in the process. Get a headlight when riding at night so other road users can see you. It is also very important to have reflectors on your bicycle, especially when riding at night. It is illegal and unsafe to ride on a sidewalk or on the road towards oncoming traffic. It is best to ride in the direction of the traffic. Make sure your brakes are always in good condition. Be aware of how weather and road conditions can affect your ability to brake. These tips are brought to you by Superior Parts Limited, making Honda affordable.
Coming up after the break, Sean Paul talks about being a new father and Jamil rolls out a new video. All these and more when we return.
Manufacturers of vehicles are not necessarily the manufacturers of parts. They outsource in places such as Japan, Thailand, China, Malaysia, Indonesia, or wherever it is most cost-effective to do so. Visit Superior Parts today for the widest range of genuine and non-genuine, new and used Honda parts in Kingston, Maypen, Mandeville, Mobay, and Ocho Rios. Telephone 929-4410 or 758-0830. Superior Parts Limited, making Honda affordable.
As I go through my day, when I work or I play,
there's one thing that I do when I wanna stay cool.
any day, anytime. I cool water on the front line. Drop it on the beat, this a I cool time. Tell it to the world, it's a one that happy reach worldwide.
I cool water helps me stay cool, cause I drink cool. I cool water, feel like water helps me stay cool, cause I drink cool. I cool water, feel like.
What to cook for dinner today?
Daddy's home!
You have the key to my heart right there.
Mommy, what's for dinner?
Corned beef and rice.
Uh-oh.
Ian, what's that noise?
Nothing, Mommy.
Dinner's ready.
Great quality products for the entire family at unbeatable prices. Hilo, making life easier.